When it comes to online trading platforms, two names often stand out: Trade Republic and Trading 212. Each platform has its unique features and caters to different types of investors. This comprehensive comparison will explore various aspects of both platforms, helping you determine which one might be the best fit for your investment needs. Trading 212 is a well-known global stock and CFD broker. It allows users to invest and trade stocks and ETFs with no commission fees. Established as one of Europe's most popular commission-free trading platforms, Trading 212 is particularly appealing to beginners. Its user-friendly web trading platform and mobile app make it easy for newcomers to learn and use. The platform is designed for investors interested in equities and CFDs, making it a suitable choice for those willing to take on more risk in their trading activities. Founded in 2015, Trade Republic is a German securities trading bank and broker regulated by the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority and the Federal Bank of Germany. The company operates in 6 European countries: Austria, Netherlands, Spain, Italy, France, and Germany. Trade Republic is geared towards savers and investors interested in ETFs, saving plans, and stocks. Its simple and intuitive platform is ideal for those looking to start a savings plan or trade ETFs and stocks with ease. Trading 212 offers free custody account management and does not charge a commission on trades. The conditions for its Invest service include a minimum deposit of €1, a minimum withdrawal of €10, and a minimum buying ceiling order of €1. The minimum deposit via bank transfer is €10, and the currency conversion fee is 0.15%. For CFDs, the currency conversion fee is 0.5%, with a minimum deposit and withdrawal requirement of €10 each. Margin requirements for CFDs vary, with 3.33% for main currencies, 5% for secondary currencies, and 20% for equities. In contrast, Trade Republic also provides free custody account management and does not charge order commissions. However, some fees apply, such as a €25 fee for registration for the AGM and an external cost fee of €1. This fee structure suggests that Trade Republic might have a slight edge over Trading 212 in terms of cost and expenses, allowing investors to trade without worrying about sudden hidden fees. When comparing the assets available on both platforms, Trading 212 and Trade Republic each offer a variety of options. Trading 212 supports trading in real stocks, ETFs, commodities, indices, and currency pairs. It provides access to 179 currency pairs and 50 CFDs or 1 in 800 real ETFs. However, it does not offer bonds or ETFs savings plans. On the other hand, Trade Republic offers trading in real stocks, ETFs, commodities, indices, and bonds. It supports one currency pair and provides over 500 bonds and 400 ETFs. Additionally, Trade Republic offers ETF savings plans, making it a more comprehensive option for those interested in a wider range of investment opportunities. Security is a crucial factor when choosing a trading platform. Trading 212 is a London-based broker licensed and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK. It also has a Cyprus licensing division, ensuring a high level of protection for investors' funds. The platform guarantees protection for deposits up to €100,000, providing peace of mind to its users. Trade Republic, based in Berlin, is regulated by BaFin and offers similar protection for deposits up to €100,000. While both platforms provide robust security measures, Trading 212's additional licensing and regulation might give it an edge in terms of investor confidence and protection. The rise of mobile trading has made ease of use a significant factor for investors. Trading 212 offers a highly user-friendly mobile app and web trading platform, ensuring seamless navigation and usage. Its mobile-optimized design is particularly beneficial for beginners and those who prefer trading on the go. Trade Republic's platform is also user-friendly, though its mobile app could benefit from some upgrades. Despite this, the platform's simplicity and intuitiveness make it a solid choice for investors looking for straightforward trading and savings options. While both platforms offer essential trading services, Trading 212 provides additional investment opportunities such as hedge funds and guaranteed stop losses. These features can help investors make safer trades and potentially maximize their returns. Trade Republic, on the other hand, does not have many additional features beyond its core offerings. In summary, both Trading 212 and Trade Republic have their strengths and cater to different types of investors. Trading 212 is an excellent choice for those interested in taking risks with equities and CFDs, offering a comprehensive and user-friendly platform. Its robust security measures and additional features make it a reliable option for risk-taking investors. Trade Republic, on the other hand, is ideal for savers and investors looking to invest in ETFs, saving plans, and stocks. Its straightforward fee structure, extensive range of bonds and ETFs, and ease of use make it a great choice for those who prefer a more conservative approach to investing. Ultimately, the right platform for you will depend on your specific investment needs and risk tolerance. By understanding the differences between Trading 212 and Trade Republic, you can make an informed decision and choose the platform that best suits your investment goals. Outro. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.